Hello. Question 66. For the given circuit, find voltage VCT 1 second after closing the switch SW. As shown in the figure, 10 volt supply connected in series with two resistors in parallel through switch, and in series two capacitors in parallel of 1 farad. Solution: switch SW closed at time t equal to 0 second. So time constant t equal to RC. This equal to 0.5 multiplied by 2 equal to 1 second. Because two resistors in parallel, so equivalent resistor equal to 1 upon 2 ohm, and two resistors in parallel, so total equivalent resistance equal to 1 upon 2 ohm, and two capacitors in parallel, so total capacitance equal to 2 farad. Voltage VCT at 1 second equal to 10 multiplied by 0.632, so this equal to 6.32 volt. Okay, thank you.